Hi, everybody. It's Allison Williams here, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help you to grow your revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. So this week, I want to talk to you guys about newsletters. And I know a lot of law firms already utilize e-newsletters to send out to your list. And so a lot of people have said to me, well, I either hire a service for that, or I don't know if I need one. I don't even know what goes into a newsletter. So I just wanted to give you some simple things that you can put into your newsletter to make them valuable and useful for your business in terms of getting new clients. So first up, your newsletter should, of course, identify who you are, who you serve, and how you help. You need to include all of those in your introduction. Not just, we are John Doe's law firm, but we are this law firm. We help this type of person with this type of problem in this way. People need to have a context for who you are, and they need to be reminded of that often. Second, you want to have an attention grabber in your newsletter. Something fun, something exciting, something sexy, something provocative, something thought-provoking, something that people are going to remember, because we have primacy and recency. People remember what's at the front, they remember what's at the end. That stuff in the middle oftentimes gets lost. So you want to lead with something that's very powerful to get people's attention right away. Third, you want to have client testimonials. Now, people fight me on this all the time. They say, look, I don't want to come across as braggadocious or as someone who is being too pushy, or maybe even promoting myself. That seems not in integrity with who I am. And the reality is, people need to be reminded of the fact that you actually help people. And it's not the same for you to say, I help people. Having someone who you've actually helped say, this lawyer encountered me in a certain problem part of my life, a condition that I didn't want, and this lawyer helped me get out of it, is a great way of educating people about how you help and reaffirming the fact that you do help very specific types of people. Next, you want to have some top tips in there. Now, this is kind of easy. This is the stuff that lawyers tend to go to, right? Changes in the law, evolutions in practice, maybe something going on with the court system. Right now, a lot of lawyers are including information in their newsletters like updates because of COVID-19, and is the court open, is the court closed, that type of information, because that really shows people that you're a resource. They already assume that you have a certain level of knowledge. I think lawyers oftentimes are not as aware as they should be of the fact that we are presumed to have a level of knowledge just because we have the title. Whether we have that knowledge or not is something else, but the presumption is there. So use it for what it's worth. But also, don't just have knowledge, have value. You have to always be giving value to the people who are consuming your information. So pack it full of things that they can use right away, things that they wouldn't necessarily know but for encountering your newsletter. And then last and final, you always want to include a call to action. Now, a call to action isn't call today for a consultation necessarily. It can be that, or it can be something else. It can be download our free e-newsletter. It can be go to our website and check out our newest video. It can be call the office so that you can sign up for our seminar. Whatever you have going on, you want to invite people to the next step in the process. Don't ever have people get content from you and the end of that content simply says, all right, thanks for checking out my content, because the reality is people are glutted with information now, and it's just going to fall into the morass of other information if it doesn't invite them to the next step. So e-newsletters is a great way for you to engage people, for you to get more clients from your existing client base, but you have to use them effectively. If you want help on that, you can always reach out to me. I'm Allison Williams, your law firm mentor. Have a wonderful day.